What's good with y'all niggas? Back on another video, the 48 Laws of Power Analysis series. Let's get straight into it. Today we're gonna be doing law number fucking 9. So what does it say? So basically, never argue with words, argue with your actions. Oh, okay. You guys gotta understand that when we argue with people, you know what I'm saying? When you argue with people, there's no fucking use to this because look, if someone argues with you and you win, right? They feel like they feel incompetent. They feel retarded. You know what I'm saying? And in that case, it's coming to what you said. It's moving into that frame of you being more smart than them. So they're gonna become more stubborn, right? So let's say they do win, right? You know what I'm saying? If they do win, it only busts up their ego. So this is why arguing with words is one of the worst things you can do in an attempt to get some power. You may never know how the argument might affect the person. Maybe they can maybe if you win, they may resent you now, right? So okay, if you can't use words, what do you use? Use your actions. Simple shit. Use your actions. You know the thing. There's a saying that says actions speak louder than words, right? So, hold on, let me get some water. So let's talk about this, the actions. So let's say, for whatever reason, let's just say, let's say you argue with a friend, and they say that, what they say that I don't even know, like, fuck, let's just say that they describe how to curve a football, right? They describe how to curve a football, right? And then you know how to curve a ball, so you know that's wrong. What they're saying is wrong. You may be right, right? So how do you do this? You say, okay, all right, let's do this. You take a ball. You say, okay, show me. Do it the same way you told me. Let them see. Now, if it curves, okay, cool. And then you try, and yours curls. You're both right. If he doesn't curve, and yours curves, and your short curls, you see that okay, wow. And doesn't and you don't show it doesn't they won't present you because like look because he didn't say anything to the effect of them to make them fully sent. It's just action is very concise and short and to the point, right? Now with words you can say some shit in the wrong way, right? This is why it's very important to argue with your actions through an indirect action, an indirect route. This way their feelings are kept intact and they also see what you're trying to show them. Alright? Excuse me. And now you guys, you gotta also understand sometimes people use arguing to buy time. You gotta understand you can also use arguing to buy some time. You know what I'm saying? You like when you argue something. Let's say you get caught with a lie. Let's say like for example, in your during my reputation, right? Video, you know what I'm saying? You try and use your reputation to your advantage, and people are not catching on. Then you can argue. You argue because now because when you argue, it helps distract people from distracts you from people distracts people when they caught you in a lie or doing deception. You know what I'm saying? Because now the more emotions you bring out in that argument, the more sincere you look. You know what I'm saying? So this is why it's very important. Know when to argue with words. Know when to argue with actions. With your superiors, always actions. Never fucking words. Never fucking words. Now, if you're caught in a lie or some shit along those lines, be my guest. Use your words. You know what I'm saying? Because that will help distract them from the smoke screen. Because that they're now fucking getting out of that fucking smoke screen. Alright. So alright guys, this is a fucking short ass video, you know what I'm saying? Trying to keep my shit trying to finish this book, you know what I'm saying? Trying to finish the 40 laws. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, holler back at your boy, comment down your email and the blueprint to success. You can check out my new book, The Blueprint to Success. Comment down below, Blueprint to Success, together with your email, and I can send it to you, the PDF free ebook version. You know what I'm saying? That way you can find ways to fucking achieve what you want in your life. Alright, holla back at your part. shit